Hello everyone, good morning to you all and welcome back to Lotto Guide. If today is your first time coming across this page, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, I'm back again with another prediction on lunchtime and tea time. Alright, so as you guys know how it goes, is lunch and tea time for a reason, okay? Alright, so stay tuned and watch all through the video. It has been a while I uploaded a video on this channel, and the reason is because I was very busy with other things, okay? But that does not stop me from playing. As you guys can see some of my results here, starting on the 1st, you can see it there, okay, till on the 8th, you can see some of the results there, okay? So I just picked few of this one just to show you guys that I'm still playing no matter how busy I was, okay? So that is it guys. So let's look into today's draw, okay? Let's see the numbers that is possibly to drop today, okay? So no doubt I know most of you will find it very difficult last week because UK was using a very bad strategy. The strategy was very tricky last week. I hope they change that this week, okay? All right, so there was a delay of numbers last week, all throughout last week. Very bad, right? It was very bad, okay? Okay guys, so let's see. All right guys, so the first number at let's see this. All right, so if you guys look here, okay, so if you watch here right now, you'll see that we'll have this number here, 15. Going down, you see that we'll have 15. Also, we'll have 15 here. All right. You can also see here 15. All right. So you guys can see how 15 was trending. You can see that. All right. And this happened because 15 came out of the code ball. I remember on my last post, I also told you guys what this number will do. Okay. So it's doing exactly, all right? So you can see it there, all right? So here from 15, when you watch all through right now, you see that ever since 15 started this, all right, you see that 4 and 40 disappeared, okay? 4 and 40 disappeared ever since 15 started to do this, all right? 4 and 40 disappeared. So write 4 and 40 down, okay? Write 4 and 40 down, okay? So these two numbers right now is missing to come forward. I hope you understand that, right? So UK has made it right now. The numbers are piled up, okay? So that is it. All right, so from these two numbers right now, when you check the code ball, you see that this number is on the code ball, which I don't know if they're gonna drop it or not. All right, so for now I'm just gonna say write 40 down, okay? So I'm gonna say write 40 down, okay? So write 40 down, right? So that is it, okay? And remember that 4 might also drop, okay? But I'm just trying to shorten up the numbers, okay? So that is it, okay? So the second thing I want to show you guys is this. You can also see that we have this number here, 39. Okay, so 39 has been doing a lot recently. 39. Okay, you see 39 there. Okay, so when you go down, you also see lots of 39s. Okay, so from 39 right now, you can also see that we have 8 here and we have 3 here, okay? So that number right now, we should be expecting 44, okay? So we should be expecting 44. So write 44 down, okay? Write 44 down, guys. Write 44 down, okay? All right. So here, currently right now, you can see that we have this number here. Okay, we have 5 here. Okay, so as we have 5 there, now when you look here, you will see that even down, when you check down, you will see that we have 41 down there. Okay, now 19 disappeared because right now 19 is being kicked into the code ball. All right, so 19 disappeared. So I don't know if they're going to release that number today or not. Okay, so if they refuse to drop that number today, we should be having 41. Okay, because 19 is on the code ball. 19 is supposed to drop. Look at here, they splitted that number here just not to drop it. All right, just not to drop it. And when you see here, you see that we have 16 here. We also have 16 here. So 19 supposed to drop. But as you guys know that this is lottery, anything can happen. So for now, I'm going to ask you to pick 41, as I don't like the numbers on the code ball. So it doesn't matter if you drop or not, but I just don't like the numbers on the code ball. But you can still try it out and see how it goes. 19 is probably, maybe it may drop. All right, so that is it. But I'm going to pick 41. Okay, so that is it. So write 41 down. Write 41 down. Okay, all right guys, so the next number we should be looking at is this number. As you guys can see, you can see what UK is doing. Any number that drop right now will also be, I don't know, look at it here. We have these two numbers here, which we should be expecting 38. All right, we should be expecting 38. So write 38 down, guys. Write 38 down. Okay, so that is it. That is it, guys. All right, so the next number we should be looking at right now, will be this number 22. Right, 22. Okay, when you watch here, you see that we have 27. Okay, we have 27 there. All right, and we also have couples of 27. I think it's done. All right, so you can see there we have couples of 27. I think it's done. Okay, done. All right, so from that number right now, we should be expecting 22. But what UK49 keep on doing is that they keep on repeating this 11. They keep on repeating this 11. You can see that. So even if we plus 11, which will also give us 22. Okay, which will give us 22. Or will they repeat 47 again? Because we also have 26 here. Can see that we have 26 because 1126 will also bring 47. Are they going to repeat 47 again? All right, but if not, 22 supposed to be a well trusted number to drop today. All right, so I don't know. Okay, so UK has made it right now that if you want to go with numbers right now, you have to go with the opposite of the numbers again. Look at right now, and now guys, 27 is also hot. You see it right now. So you understand what I'm telling you, okay? But the number that is mixing currently is 22. Okay, so write 22 down. Write 22 down. Okay, all right guys, so the next number we should be looking at is 21, guys. 21. All right, and why 21 is because we have this number here, 24. All right, we have 24, and ever since 24 dropped, 24 never bring 21. So we should be expecting 21 to drop today. All right, we should be expecting 21 to drop today. Or better still, you can just take 21 and 22 and run it with the families of 30. Don't minus any 30. Both the ones that dropped yesterday and the one that is about to drop, just pair it with 30s. Or you can decide to go with these two numbers as singles. All right, what do you guys think? Let me know under the comment box below. Okay, so that is it. Today is Monday. Let's watch and see which strategy they're gonna be using this week. Okay, all right. So that is it. So the next number I want to show you guys will be, you see this number here. We have 34 here, right? We have this number here, 34, and this 34 supposed to bring 14. All right, this 34 is supposed to bring 14, but don't be surprised if 34 decide to come back again and 14 may decide to come on tea time. Okay, so I don't know, you guys will just check it out and see how it goes. Okay, so that is it. Because even when you check from the last 10 draw here, you see that all the numbers here, 15 up, 25 has come up, 29 has come up, and 43 come up, 45 is also up there, and the last number here, the last number, which is 26, as you guys can see from the last 10 draw here, the last number, which is 26. Okay, you can see it here, the last 10 draw. You can see these numbers here. So there is so many things you look at it here. Up, you can see this number drop up here, 45. Okay, where is it here? You can also see 45 here. Now 43, which also bust as bonus yesterday. Okay, so you can also see this number 29, which 29 also drop. Okay, you can see it there. So you can also see 25, which 25 also drop. Okay, so you can also see, I think, 11 here. So you can also see 11 has been doing a lot of wonders. So it left 20, it left a 34. All right, it left 34 to drop. So let's hope that maybe 34 will drop on lunchtime and 14 will drop on tea time. So I don't know how they're gonna share it, and let's wait and see. No one is right now until the result is out. Okay, so that is it, guys. So that is it. Okay, so currently right now the next number we should be looking at will be this number 12. And why 12 is because 24 also will trigger 12, right? And we also have this number 32, right? We have 32 there, and we also have 48 here. So what will stop 12 is something I don't understand, right? As you guys know, this is lottery. Okay, if they go accordingly, I don't see anything that will stop 12. But this is lottery, guys. You know how it goes. Okay, all right. So the next number I want to show you guys here is this number. As you guys can see, we have 28 here, and we also have 28 here. Okay, this 28 right now supposed to go straight and bring 30. All right, but as you guys know, in the world of lottery, nothing is guaranteed. If you check here, you will see that 30 did a lot, right? If you go down, you will see that there was a time 30 was very, very hot, 30 was dropping more often. So we don't know if 30 is going to continue or not, but we just write 30 down. Okay, let's just write 30 down and hope that 28 will bring 30, because that is what's supposed to happen here. All right, so all these bankers I'm bringing out to you guys now is sure numbers that are supposed to drop, but you guys know what lottery is all about. Okay, so that is it. Okay, that is it. All right, so the next and the last number we should look at for today is this number, which is 20. Okay, 20. All right, so as you guys can see here, 20 drop here, 25 come with 20. Based on both of them will bring each other. So I'm just giving you guys this. Look at here also, you'll see that 20 and 25 also drop. Why is UK doing this? Why are they bringing these things? Does it mean that there is no any other number, right? So that is just lottery for you. Okay, so as you can see it there, it happened there. Now 20 took the next step. 25 also drop, splitted and drop up there. So we should be expecting 25 to also bring 20 up there. All right, so that is the last number that I'm going to show you guys today. All right, so here, as you guys can see, here is my peak. Okay, so we are talking about 40, right? We are talking about 40. Okay, we talk about 44. We talked about 40. Okay, we talked about 41, right? We talked about 38. Okay, we talked about 22. Okay, we talked about 21. All right, we talked about 14. Okay, we talked about 12. All right, talked about 12. We talked about 30. All right, we talked about 20. Okay, so here is the numbers that I'm gonna choose, okay, from this numbers, okay, according to what I think. All right, these are the numbers that I'm gonna choose. Okay, for those people that is in a haze, they also gonna miss if there is any number here because they don't listen to the analysis. All right, so here is the numbers that I'm gonna choose. Okay, so as you guys can see, this numbers currently right now is on the code ball. These numbers are also code. Okay, 17 drop yesterday is also is still code. Okay, that number I'm still suspecting it. You see, so this number, so I'm just showing it to you guys. It's not that we didn't see it, we saw it, but sometimes you can't go with every number. All right, because if you go with every number, it's gonna be too much. All right, so these two numbers, I'm still suspecting these two numbers, maybe one of them to also draw from the code ball. So all right, so that is all I have for you guys today. As you guys can see the numbers on the screen right now, that is the WhatsApp number. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, you can use the number you're seeing on the screen right now to join my WhatsApp group. All right, it will only cost you 200 rand per month. All right, okay guys, so that is it for today's video, and here will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.